Hi Nigerians! Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to deploy the smart contracts on the Frankenstein testnet. So basically just we are right now on the Explorer side, and for the testing purposes I will show you how basically to deploy the smart contract. As an example will be our bridge. So basically here it's an example of the configuration. So like we have a Frankenstein with the chain ID, URL accounts. So how to do this, like in our example file we have the connection to the Frankenstein, also the mnemonic phrase, so this HD wallet for deployment. And let's start. So let's deploy to our network. So first of all I'm using the Hardhat here for the deployment, and first of all I will see my accounts. Frankenstein. So let's see if it's enough Ether for deployment. Okay, so I have some like on account the Ether, and let's deploy the bridge. So for this view I will use the Hardhat deployment library, and let's deploy to the Frankenstein. Yeah, nothing to compile. So yeah, deploying. So first it's our bridge manager. Okay, so it's deployed. We could take a look the result here. Yeah, here we are. So basically it's our contract was deployed, so with its inputs. Also I guess it's already here. Yeah, let's see the receptors are starting. Yeah, here our contract creation, the next contract creation. This is a proxy admin, but let's wait and deploy all stuff. Yes, so right now all these contracts related to the bridge is deploying to the Frankenstein. So in this tutorial I will show only the Frankenstein part. We will not show the full flow for the bridge. So it's like almost the same like on the Ropsten or like any Ethereum chain. So all could be configurable. So if you're using Truffle, then you could make the configuration on your networks in the Truffle. I'm using Hardhat, so here it's the configuration on the like Hardhat. So I'm providing my node URL, which is related to the Frankenstein. Yeah, our RPC public URL, and the HD wallet for the deployment. Okay, let's wait. So I guess it's almost done. So it's deploying the Bridget USDT tokens, Rapid ETH. Yeah, and that's all. Yeah. Let's see on the Explorer. Yeah, it's already updated. So we could also find, for example, it's proxies with our implementation here. So let's deploy it at this address. yeah, contract found. Was deployed at 72. And transaction, yeah, gas price 1 GWay, block this from my account of the HD wallet. So yep, so seems like all fine. That's all. So thank you for your attention and have a nice day.